This video discusses the deterioration in quality and reputation of Blizzard Entertainment, a business that produced once popular games. The opening scene of the video showcases Blizzard's early success with titles like Diablo, StarCraft, and Warcraft. It talks about how these games were both critically and financially successful. The film then discusses how Blizzard began to make choices, such the addition of microtransactions and a real name requirement for online forums, that many fans found objectionable. The film also discusses the criticism Blizzard has received for how it managed the creation of some of its more recent titles, like StarCraft II and Diablo III. In general, the film presents a bad image of Blizzard Entertainment, implying that it has lost its direction and is no longer the same organization that it once was. Asmongold, the video speaker, laments Blizzard and hopes the corporation will change for the better in the future. Here are some of the key points about Blizzard's early success and later controversies mentioned in the video. Early success: 1991-2004. Founded in 1991 by 3 graduates from UCLA. Developed and released successful games like Warcraft, StarCraft, and Diablo. Launched their online gaming platform, Battle.net, in 1996. Released World of Warcraft in 2004, which became a massive hit. Introduction of microtransactions: 2004. With the release of World of Warcraft, Blizzard introduced a subscription fee model, which was $15 per month in 2004. Real name policy for online forums: 2004. Blizzard implemented a real name policy for their online forums, which was not well received by the gaming community. Crit.